This is a demo video about posting a video to YouTube using the Record from Webcam feature. I'll be making a math video for my students. And let's go ahead and get into YouTube. And I've already signed in here, so it shows my username, and I could click on my username to get to my channel. But I don't have to do that to upload a video. I can just hit the yellow upload button. So let's do that. And then we're going to have two choices now. We can either upload an existing video that's already on the computer, or we can record directly from the webcam. And that's what we're going to do in this demo. If you want to see upload a video that already exists, you can see my other demo on YouTube. Okay, record from webcam. And this is faster than doing the upload video. The resolution I find is not quite as good, but it is definitely good enough. So the first thing we need to do is decide which video recording source YouTube is going to see. So we're going to allow it to see the recording source or the recording equipment. And right now it's looking through my Logitech webcam, which is what I want it to do. I could also have it look through the laptop webcam that's on my computer. Hey there. Or I could have it use Camtasia Studio instead to record. But let's keep it at the Logitech webcam. And we also want to record the set the microphone that we're going to be using. And it is set to the Logitech microphone, which works really well. I just happen to use an external mic with a headset, so I'm going to choose that instead. And it looks like everything is set. If you're going to be using the microphone that goes with the webcam, just make sure over here on the right side with the control panel for the webcam that your microphone is not muted, and you'll be all set. You can click on settings here if you want to adjust the brightness. If you don't like the way your video looks, we could alter the settings on the webcam. But I think that it looks fine, so I'm ready to record. Now if you hit allow YouTube to see your video source and it says something like I don't know, not seeing the video or looking for camera activity or something like that, one thing that works for that is to hit the refresh button. And another thing that sometimes will work, I've had problems if the webcam was already being used in another application, so I shut down the webcam completely and then tried again, and the second time it did see the camera. But usually it works just fine. Alright, so we're ready to record. Let's go ahead. Let's distribute the 2, and that gives us 2x plus 8 equals 10. Take away 8 on both sides. We get 2x is equal to 2, and finish solving. And I'll just stop it there so it's nice and short. And now we have a choice. We can preview if we want to see what the video looks like and decide whether it looks good enough or not. Yep, looks good. Sound quality is good. So I think that it's worth waiting for it to upload. So if you have a longer video, it's kind of nice to do a preview to make sure your audio works okay and things like that before you do the publishing. So I hit published, and now it is at YouTube. And while it's processing, even though it has published, it's going to take a few minutes to process. I can go ahead and give it a title. I'm just going to call this another sample. But what you want to do is give it a title that's very easily searchable, because people who are stuck on their math homework are going to be searching YouTube for videos. Solve linear equation. So if you have a good searchable title with nice keywords, they're going to be able to find it. Tags would be keywords that you want to put in. So I usually put math, algebra, and then in this case I would put equation. You know, if it was Kramer's rule, I would probably put Kramer or something like that. Category, education. Video thumbnail I just ignore. I let YouTube pick the default setting for that. For the settings, I always leave it on share because that means that everybody can search for the videos when they're stuck with their homework. But for this one I'm going to put private because it's just a little sample video. And these things I leave as default all the time. Just allow comments, allow comment voting. And if you allow comments, you're still going to get an email that shows the comment every time somebody posts one. So you don't have to worry about, you know, letting rude comments go up there or anything. You'll be able to delete any that you find rude. Video responses, I allow those, and ratings and embedding and syndication. So I just leave the default settings for all of that. Save changes. and then it's all set. So now we can go look in my videos to see what it looks like and to see if it has finished processing yet. And let's see, it says that it is live. So let's go ahead and try to play it. Now sometimes when it's still processing, it won't be ready even though it says live. But it looks like this one is. So it looks like it's good. Volume's good. Resolution is fine. A little bit fuzzier than the upload video demo. So you can see that the resolution is better with that one if you go watch the other demo. And right over here, the URL, you can highlight it, do a Control-C, go into your course website, and do an external link, Control-V to paste it in there, and your students will have very easy access to your YouTube videos. Remember, they can also just go to your channel and search at your channel on your upload videos, because you have a searchable library there. So that's how you record a video to YouTube using Record from a Webcam.